Hi, this is Richard, and I'm inviting you to join me with a particular NQA Supercharge Your Qigong Practice workshop. This is a special workshop that's designed to be working with the collateral and superficial acupuncture channels. Now, most Qigong deals with breath, external movements of some form, and they're basically trying to find a way to activate your 20 major acupuncture channels. This workshop is designed to be able to go deeper into what's called the collateral channels and the superficial channels. Now, what's important about this is that these channels directly feed into the extracellular matrix, or the ECM. And this creates a level of chi flow to this tensegrity that's involved in the extracellular matrix. I want to quickly show you what the extracellular matrix looks like. Here's a picture of it. Now, this extracellular matrix connects to every tissue of your body. Basically, it goes from your skin into down to the bone and spreads out in all directions. And also it covers all of your organs. So dysregulation of this extracellular matrix leads to decrease in longevity and inflammatory issues like cancers and other autoimmune disorders. So anyway, come look about how the superficial channels, the collateral channels, all direct the chi flow into this extracellular matrix and how you can have a stronger, healthier body. So come join us. Looking forward to seeing you at the NQA. Thank you. Bye-bye.